Hello everyone! Today we will practice the word adventure. Let's practice with me. Adventure. I like adventure.
Adventure is fun.
We plan an adventure.
The adventure starts now.
She loves adventure stories.
Adventure brings new experiences.
Our adventure was exciting. Adventure helps us grow. He seeks adventure daily.
Adventure can be challenging.
We share adventure stories.
Adventure makes life exciting.
They enjoy outdoor adventure. Adventure requires courage. Adventure is a great teacher. We plan our next adventure. Adventure opens new doors. Adventure is full of surprises. Adventure helps build confidence. Adventure is part of life. Adventure teaches us patience. Adventure is always rewarding. Thank you for practicing adventure with me. Please subscribe, like, and share English Audio Dict. See you again in tomorrow's video.